Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in Aliens Fireteam Elite 2 game. So without wasting time, here for the fixes mentioned in this video. First fix is to enable disable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Aliens Fireteam Elite 2 game. This is just an example, and then click on properties. Then go to the controller tab. And here first select the enable Steam input and then restart the game because changing requires restart of the game. So simply restart the game and then check if your controller or gamepad is working or not. If not, then again go to the Aliens Fireteam Elite 2 game and then click on properties. Go to the controller tab and this time select disable Steam input and then again restart the game and check. Fix 2 is to press the Alt plus Enter keys. So try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the issue. And then check if the controller or gamepad is working in Aliens Fireteam Elite 2 game or not. Fix 3 is to disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. So if you have installed any third-party game controllers on your PC, then disable them or uninstall them. And if any plug peripherals is connected to your PC such as USB devices, pen drive, phone, camera or additional controllers, display, mouse, keyboard, then it might conflict with the game. So remove such peripherals and then check if it fixes the problem or not. Fix 4 is to use a wired controller. This is an alternative solution. Maybe game have some bugs or glitches at present and your wireless controller is not working. So if you have wired controller, then connect it and play the game as of now. So by following these fixes, I hope you can easily fix controller or gamepad not working in Aliens Fireteam Elite 2 game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.